I'm Celeste, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. So first what you want to do for your makeup is you're going to want to put some eyeshadow on. That's what I do first sometimes, but not all the time. And I have this eyeshadow palette. It has all my favorite colors. And I really love this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So I'm putting on this brown shade, the first shade of brown right here, this kind of color. And I'm going to put it on my eyes really nicely. And I make sure that I won't get anywhere on my nose. And I'm just going to rub it on this place where I keep the brushes so I can get all this stuff off. And maybe I want to take my other brush, which is this blue brush, and I'm just going to dab it a little bit in this shines. Two of these shines. Really good. And I'm going to just pat it on my eyes to get that shimmer effect. And close this. Oof. Oh my gosh. And so what's next is I'm going to do the blush. I'm going to use this blush. It's from the brand and I'm going to put some on my cheeks. I think I have to contour. I'm just going to contour. And it's from the same place. And, oops, my lid was broken. And I'm going to contour on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend that in. And now I'm going to take that same brush, I'm going to dab it in some blush. And maybe some of you want to put some lip gloss on your lips before you put lipstick on. I bought some pucker pops for my lips, and I bought chapstick, and I bought an EOS. And I also bought my lipstick. So I'm going to put on my EOS first on my lips. And then I'm just going to do the lipstick. Oh, okay, that's okay. All right. And I'm done. Maybe some of you don't want to put perfume on, but I would. So I bought this perfume from Justice. It smells like gingerbread. Let me just spray this. Sometimes I like to rub a brush on it to just blend it in so it doesn't smell that bad and strong. And then before I just stop, I'm just going to take the brush that I use for my eyes and I'm going to spread it on the corners of my nose. I like to blend it in with my finger. Really good. Now I'm going to put this back. Like this. And then I'm done with my makeup. So I just want to dedicate this to Brianna, Alyssa, Aunt Justine, Uncle Brian, Zach, and Jonathan. So hi, and my name is Celeste. Bye.